what's up everybody? This is Kevin from Peacock Inside Tech, and yeah, I got my hand on one of the new iPhones. So I asked the question on Instagram if you want me to unbox it or skip straight to the camera review. So most people said unboxing, so let's get straight to it. I got the midnight green color, which I told you guys that I would get, and yeah, I'm excited to see how it looks in person. The box is fancy. Oh, that's tight. So look at it. Can't really see the green color on camera, but it looks pretty good. Put this over here to the side and look what's in the box. The normal Apple stickers and manuals, boring stuff. And finally, iPhones get delivered with a fast charger. Finally, Apple. And it comes with the typical headphones with a lightning connector, since iPhones haven't had a headphone jack in a while. And the USB-C to lightning cable, that's new. That's about it. And let's look at the phone. I don't know if you can see the color on the camera, but if you can, let me know in the comments. So, since everybody likes to hear the plastic being peeled off, let's get to it. I have to admit, it was kind of satisfying. But this year the iPhone only had plastic on the front. It typically goes around the whole phone, but maybe they wanted to highlight the new matte finish. Feels really good in the hand. So, okay, looks like it has a little bit of battery in there. Well, that was the unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro. Let me know what you guys think. And I'm going to do a camera review next, so I'm going to put it up against the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let me know if there's anything specific you want to see. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are going to be interested in the low light performance. So, that's it. Thanks for watching. This is Kevin from Peacock Inside Tech. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Peacock Inside Tech.